Hi, I'm Travis Eliot, and welcome to the Empowered series. For the next 30 days, you and I are going to meet for about 20 to 30 minutes each day. Now, this theme of empowerment is really about self-mastery. It's about mastering your mind, your emotions, your physical state, and also your life. This series encompasses power yoga, yin yoga, breathwork, and meditation. I'm excited to share this journey with you. Yoga and meditation has completely changed my life. It's time to embark on the journey of empowerment. I will see you in the first practice.